Hello everybody, my name is Edit and I'm from hahagarden.com, and today is our 50th episode. Woo! So since this is our 50th episode, we're going to do something special. So unlike the other videos where we show you how to plant something, today we're going to go from our garden to our kitchen. So we're going to show you today how to make Roselle Jam. And if you want to know how to plant Roselles from seeds, you can refer to our episode 5. Right, so this Roselle Jam we made this morning. It's really neat. Right, so let me show you what we have. Huzzah! Okay, so you can see it's exactly like jam. Isn't this nice? Woo. Look at this, so much fun. So as you can see, it spreads like jam and ooh. Alright, so as you can see, it looks like jam. Now let's see if it tastes like jam. Ooh. So this tastes really sweet and sour, and it's really good. Alright, so we filmed this during the morning. So as you can see, I'm taking the Roselle fruits, and what I'm doing is I'm removing the petals from the seed pods. Now make sure you separate them both, but make sure you keep both the petals and the seed pods because we will be needing them both later. So just remove them. Okay, so now you can weigh your Roselle so that you can determine how much sugar you need to add in. So make sure you weigh the Roselle petals. We have about 35 Roselle, so that equals to 170 grams of Roselle petals. So for us, we're gonna put 70% brown sugar. So we're gonna add in 120 grams of brown sugar. So we've got 35 fruits in total. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to boil the seed pods. Now make sure you put enough water so that the water can cover the seed pods. So we're boiling it so that we can get access to the pectin, which will allow the jam to set, so become thicker. So you can actually see the liquid is a lot thicker now. So that's what it looks like. And here we actually made a mistake. We basically were too busy filming, and the pectin actually started to harden. So we had to make a second batch. So the second batch is clear, while the first batch was more colored, so you can see there. And now we took the Roselle petals and we put them inside the pectin mixture, and we just poured in some more water until the water covered the petals, and then now we're just boiling it. So we forgot to film us putting in brown sugar, but basically all you need to do is put in the brown sugar and then stir it until all of the brown sugar is dissolved. So now we just need to take the pot off the stove, and then we blend it so that it has a smoother texture. So just blend so that all of the flower petals can dissolve into the mixture. This blend is actually really nice, so I'm glad I got to use it today. And you can see the mixture is completely smooth. There's no more clumps of the dissolved flour. So we're boiling the mixture a little bit more so that it can become a little bit thicker and become more jam-like. The jam was actually starting to stick onto the bottom of the pot, so make sure, for us at least, so make sure you start stirring it more often to make sure you don't burn the jam. So when you're finished, you can put your jam in a jar, but make sure you sterilize the jar by boiling it and drying it before you put it in. Look at how pretty it is. The color is beautiful and it smells so good. I'm gonna go get myself another bit because I really like the jam. So I'll see you guys next week. Happy gardening, happy harvesting, and happy cooking. Goodbye.